Okay, so welcome to this little presentation of the GFC loop fix. I've used this new MeshOp into my workflow with Mesh Fusion based on profile, 2D profile, where I used the GEO From CURVE plugin from Mario Baldi. So I wanted to create a little fix that loop correctly the GEO From CURVE mesh. It's a wonderful plugin, but I wanted these features. This is not a bug from Mario. This is just a new features that I wanted to add to the workflow. So let's jump back to Modo. So here I got just one curve, okay, and this curve is fitting the GFC mesh item. And if I use this mesh, this resulting mesh, okay, with into a Mesh Fusion workflow. So for example, I have two planes that are pointing in two different direction, one here and one here. So I will use those two meshes to create an intersection as a fusion item. So I've already linked and create the setup. So I got the GFC mesh and the slice quads. Okay, so they intersect, and from this intersection you get the Mesh Fusion. So if I show you the result, it's not working because if you take a look at the way the polygons are created with the GFC mesh, you might see that the continuity of the loop makes the shape not totally looping or closed, okay, and you need this to be closed totally in order to use the Mesh Fusion. So I've created a new Mesh Fusion item, a new mesh item, sorry, and I put my own small GFC extremity fix. I call it this way. I was thinking that was more matching the purpose. So if you go to Add Operator and you select the folder, the small assembly arrays from the kit. I've created the kit lately, a few weeks ago on Gumroad. With the Pixel Fondue tutorial on MeshOps. So you can use, you just have to put the LXP file that is inside this the zip file into the zip directory. So basically, system, you click on in Modo, you click on System, open User folder, then you go to Kit, and you open the Advanced MeshOp kit with this UI, okay, and you can just put the LXP here into this directory. So as you got this, you got the icon, you should got the icons, and I will release those different MeshOps every day, or I will try to release them every day. So when you use this one, the resulting mesh is totally closed. So if I double click, you see that everything is connected, and you will got correctly the continuity necessary for the Mesh Fusion. So if I go back to the schematic and unplug the old GFC mesh item and this one with the fix, now I show the Mesh Fusion item, and you see that it's completely working now. we have the correct, I'll just show the wireframe. You see it's correctly working. So now you can edit the curve, or in my case I use a polygon to drive the mesh, so I can move the polygon here and it's updating the mesh fusion item. I can also bevel this one and it's updating any shape. So I use this with the last project I've made, so it was really interesting for that case to release this this new MeshOp. So hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon.